Hi friends, welcome to Learn Programming. In this video, we are going to learn about Express.js framework. Actually, Express.js is a framework for the Node.js in order to develop backend applications, and it is well suited for developing APIs. And in this video, actually, we are going to install the Express.js and just start the basic application. In order to install the Express.js, you can actually do that in two ways, and in this video we will be looking at the first way. Actually, Express is actually created as an npm dependency. In order to install Express, first you have to download and install Node.js for your operating system. I hope once this installation has been successfully completed, you can start following this tutorial on the Express.js website. And first way of installing is actually by just creating an empty folder. First, I have opened an empty folder in VS Code, and you can see that there is no files in it currently. And first thing that we need to do is to initialize this project as a node project, and for that you can type the command npm space init, and once you enter that command, it will ask for certain prompts and certain questions. You can give some default values, and here you can see the entry point for your application. For that you can either press enter or give any other file name, and this will be the starting point of our application. And in this example I am giving it as app.js, and once I click enter, now I am not giving values for all these things. And finally it will ask for a confirmation because it is going to write a file called package.json, and this file is used for the Node.js application in order to manage the dependencies and all other stuffs. Once you are okay with that, you can just type the yes, and it will create the package.json here. You can see the package.json has been created here, and using this file it will manage all the dependencies in our application. So the next thing that we need to do is to install the Express. Express is, you can actually install it using the npm command. Npm is actually package manager, not package manager, and using that you can install various packages in Node.js. npm.js is the official website for the npm, and Express is also a package which you can install by typing this command. And when you issue this command, make sure you put the minus save option, so that it will add an entry to the package.json. So let's try this command. So we are typing this command at the root directory of our project, and when this command is issued, it will download the Express packages, and you can see a new folder has been created which is called the node_modules. This folder is actually created by this command where you can see the Express.js source code here, and you can see a lot of other libraries are also automatically installed, because Express depends upon some other packages as well. All these dependencies has been installed automatically for us, and you can see our package.json has been updated, and you can see Express is now a dependency for our application. Then the next step that we need to do is to create our entry point file. In this example, the entry point is the app.js. So I'm creating the app.js here, and there you can write the actual coding. And in this example we are going to just try the basic hello world example. And here you can see they have imported the express module, because we have installed express using the npm command, and it will be available globally in our application. So you can directly import into your project folder and just start writing the code, and I will be explaining this code in a moment. And actually once this basic thing is done, so you can just type node space app.js, which will start the actual server. You can see a message, example app listening at some port number. And once you open this link on your browser, you can see our sample output here. So let's check how that code actually worked. Actually we have imported the express module and created an instance for the express app, and the port number here we are using is 3000, which you can change if you want to. And this is actually a simple basic route for our application, and this is the slash or the home path for our application. And once this app get a request for the home path or the slash path, it will send the response as hello world. And here you can see two parameters here, one is the request object and one is the response object. At present we are not using the request object, and we are using the response object to send a plain text message to the browser. So once we open the home folder, home root, you will get the hello world as the output. That's how this basic app has been worked. And in the next video we will look at the next way of installing the express application, and we'll explore more things from the next video. See you later.